Have you ever wondered how astrology might explain not only someone's talents and successes, but also the controversies surrounding their life? Today, I'll take you on a journey through Will Smith's birth chart and how the stars might have shaped his path, including his recent public controversies. Let's start with his sun sign. Will Smith is a Libra. Libras are known for their charm, diplomacy, and love for harmony. If you've ever watched his interviews or his roles in movies, you'll notice his effortless ability to draw people in and create a sense of balance. That's classic Libra energy, being the person everyone loves to love. But astrology is more than just your zodiac sign. Moving up a level, we have his ascendant, which shows how he presents himself to the world. Will's rising sign is said to be Gemini. This energy makes him adaptable, quick-witted, and incredibly versatile. Have you seen his magnetic performances? Gemini rising definitely plays a key role in his charisma. Now, let's talk about his moon sign, which governs emotions. Will's moon is reportedly in Scorpio. This placement speaks to deep emotional intensity. It helps us understand why he sometimes acts so passionately and perhaps impulsively, especially in personal situations that end up in the public eye. And then there's Mars, the planet of energy, action, and conflict. Will's Mars placement highlights his determination and willingness to stand up for what he believes in. This could help explain his decisive actions, even when they stir controversy. Recent events, such as his infamous moment at the Oscars, might be linked to planetary transits. For instance, Saturn's influence could indicate times of pressure and responsibility, while Uranus brings sudden, unexpected actions. Remember, a birth chart isn't a sentence, it's a guide. Will Smith's chart reveals a man who's used his cosmic blueprint to become an icon, but it also highlights areas where challenges arise. What do you think about this? How do you feel about astrology and its role in understanding people's lives? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next celebrity natal chart breakdown.